Alright, you lot, I'm here in this loft because I know that somewhere there was a collection of Kirby vacuum cleaners. I found them here. I've moved a lot of stuff out of the way so I can actually see what's here now. Go all the way back here, all the way back there, and all the way back into that corner over there. All different types. Looks like we've got some instruction manuals, different bits of paperwork. There's all sorts of paperwork and different things here. I've got some lights, so we can put some lights on in a minute. It looks like there's all sorts of different things. Got tanks and bags, all kinds of things. Boxes of Kirby things. I don't know what's in them. No idea. We'll have to have a look. There's also a Hoover up here and a Royal, which we don't get in England or in the UK. They're in America only, so it'd be interesting to have a look at that and see what that's all about. Now this loft is being cleared out, so all this needs to be sorted out and it needs to go. So all of this will be looked at and it'll all be up for sale and it'll all be sold. Maybe as a big collection or maybe individually, I don't know yet, but we'll have to find out. So let me stick some lights on and we'll see what we've got. Alright, I've put a light there so we can see over here now. Look, they Kirby's, they go all the way back there. We've got a Royal down there, Kirby boxes full of stuff there, more Kirby's, Kirby's everywhere. Legends, looks like we've got a Legend 2, I don't know what that is, a Legend 1 maybe. What's that, G5, whatever that is, Heritage maybe. Hoover, there's a Hoover something or another there. We'll have a look at that in a moment. We've got all kinds of other bits and bobs, all need to be gone through and find out what exactly is what. Look at these motocross goggles I've just found. They've been up here so long that they've all perished and all the foam's gone all perishy, sort of powdery, and they're actually flat. They're supposed to be curved, but they've actually gone flat. They've been up here so long. Scott's motocross goggles. They're definitely from the 90s, them ones. So, got a load of stuff down here, look. Loads of cobwebs. Nothing's going to jump out. I've got an old photography bag or something or another there. Throw that over there. And we'll see what we've got here. What is this one? This one looks like a G4. These are electric drive. As you push them along, they drive along for you. So we've got a G4. What else have we got? Got a Royal over there. We'll have a look at that Royal in a minute. A G4. Oh, what this one is? Oh, we've got a Heritage. That's a Heritage over there, if you can see that. Hoover. Or another. Right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get all of these out and put them all so we can actually see them all. Look what I found. I was just trying to have a rummage around and clearing a bit of space, and I found this old, it's got to be from the 80s, 1980s, what is it, Philips digital tuner stereo compo radio cassette recorder, and it's actually all in there. That is incredible. It's actually all in there. Speakers the lot. Alright. I have to have a look at that. See if I can get that up. Put that up on the internet and try and get that gone. There must be some collector out there or someone that wants a Philips hi-fi system from the 80s or possibly maybe even early 90s. I don't know what sort of year this would be. There he is. Made in Austria. Made in Austria. That's mad. You don't get much made in anywhere other than China these days. Stereo recorder. No date on it. Can't see anywhere where there's a date. There might be a date, maybe there's an instruction manual or something, or might be a little sticker on the unit itself to tell us a date, but that's an interesting find. So, a bit more space now. So we've got a G4 here. Put that there for a minute. It's not in the way. We've got a Legend 2. That's a G5. That's a Hoover of some kind. Let's move the Legend 2 out of the way. Over there for a moment. Let's get that. That light. Oh, hello. There's a bit of a collapse going on. Let's put that there. There's all kinds of stuff here. Got motocross helmets and all kinds of stuff. Bean bags. It's just, I don't know what. Right. Oh my giddy aunt. It's all going wrong. It's all going wrong. Right, we've got a tradition. Kirby tradition. There. Not so much of it. A nice Kirby tradition. And then we've got a G5, which we've already seen. Behind the G5, well look, we've got that's the pipe for the Legend 2. You can tell that because of the colour. And over here, Heritage, Kirby Heritage. Could probably do with a bit of a polish up, mind you. Interesting. Probably do with a bit of a polish up. We'll probably have a proper look at these at some point and see what kind of dates they got on them. I think these are from 70s. I'm not entirely sure. I'll put that over there. So we got all the pipe work and everything for whatever one that is for. I don't know what one that's for. Look at that. We got. What is this? This is a Hoover. What type of Hoover is anyone's this? The Hoover makes carpets last longer. Oh yeah. Certainly does. Well, it's a Hoover. What type of Hoover? It's anyone's guess. We'll have a look at that. I know someone that might be interested in that, to be honest. He loves a bit of a Hoover. What have we got here? A Heritage 2. So we've got a nice Heritage 2. Over there's a Royal, and there's another Kirby or something over there in that direction. But we've got all sorts of boxes all piled up. We'll move all this out of the way. Let's see if I can show you. Right, I think you can probably see there now. We've got Kirby boxes there. We've got boxes full of Kirby stuff all here. I don't know what we've got. Looks like one of those rug renovators. Goes on the Legend 2. So that can go down with that. We've got even more Kirby stuff down in there, look. Kirby brushes, pipes, all kinds of pipes and other bits and bobs. Another rug renovator, but that's a black one, so that's probably going to go with a Heritage or a Tradition or something like that. What's inside this box? Oh, that's not. More motocross goggles, look. But this isn't anything to do with. This is all just CDs and stuff like that. It's nothing to do with any Vaccums. Royal bags. More Royal bags. You don't get Royals in this country. Don't know what that is. Turbo accessory by Kirby. There we go, we've got a turbo accessory by Kirby. Looks like we've got a spare bag looks like that's not a legend. That looks like a tradition. Is that tradition or heritage? It's a Kirby heritage bag. Another one, spare one, still in its polythene. Look, brand new. What we got here? Harrods 30th anniversary bear. Oh, we've got a Harrods bag. Nice. Everyone loves a Harrods bag. Get rid of that. Looks like we've got a spare power electric cable, flex cable, some of you look call it. Head. I can point this down so you can see. Some kind of cleaning head thing. Another one of these things, whatever, another turbo nozzle, whatever that thing does. Little filter of some description. More pipes. Pipes and more pipes. It's just all different pipes with different models. They can all go in there. It's all going to go, with any luck, it will go as a collection, you know. It won't all be split up, because that would make things a hell of a lot easier. Right, got a little bit of an area here now, so we can have a proper look to see what we've actually got. There's some more actual vacuums over there. I can't get to them at the moment. Behind here, I've noticed there's a whole little, what do they call that? Like a little caddy thing. You've got your little funnels and there's a pipe and all. There's a whole pipe, look. It's got a thing on it. It goes all the way around there, look. God, it's like brand new. Kirby written on it, look. It's like actual brand new. Feels and looks brand new. I thought that was a bloody spider then, scared the living daylights out of me. Right, yeah, so we've got pipes. A pipe there. What that little, this is all for your you know, your what's it? Jesus. Nothing ever stays upright in here, ever. It's like a little foam thing, don't know what that's for. Sandpaper for some reason, don't know why we've got sandpaper in there. But it's like the whole kit, a whole lot of little bracket. So that's nice. That's very nice. I'll take a picture of that. Alright, let's move that over there. So what else have we got? Let's have a look up here. Alright. Oh, so we've got a little one. A little Kirby. What is this one? A Vaccums thing. Little Kirby bag on the back. 240 volt. On and off. Don't know how you pronounce that. Is that Vaccums? Yeah, Vacuette, something like that, I don't know. All you little geeks will know all about it. All the little geeks out there. Right, what else we got? We've got here. This one fell down. Kirby, quality, reliability, performance. Nice. So a whole box. It's got a little popper on it. Look. Little popper on the box there. How cool is that? Open it up. What have we got? The whole kit. That's pretty awesome. Can we zoom in with this? We can. Jesus Christ. There we go. Happy days. Cleaning thing. This must be for wet vacuum. Oh, that other one was over there that I was trying to say wet vac. That's all right. Must be for wet vacuum. You've got a pipe, tube, everything you could ever want in there. Happy days. Let's do that back up. Do a little popper back up. Have to find somewhere to put these while I'm going through them. We have to get to this one next. This one looks to be exactly the same, but this one's for a tradition, whereas that one was for a classic 3. Whereas this one's for a tradition. Got a little handle on the top there that says attachments on it. Let's open up this one. It's all exactly the same. That one's missing this little pipe though. It's got a little pipe that's missing, that one. Got the brush. A little tubs for the detergents and cleaning thing. Everything you could ever want. Happy days. Couldn't ask for more than that really, could you? Right, next. Where can we go next? Alright, what's this one? This one's... I don't think this one's for any Kirby's. It says the Hoover on it there, the Hoover. Registered trademark. Cleaning kit for model 262. So it's a cleaning kit for a model 262. It's even got a bit of wood in the packing. That's awesome. They really did do things good back then. They don't make anything like they do nowadays. What we got here then? This is made of wood. That's actual wood. This is a little cleaning head thing, and it's actually made of wood for a model 262. I think this was probably all made of Bakelite, and a lot of it's cracked off, unfortunately. Still pretty good though. Right, we've got the actual... Got a brush, probably made of horsehair. Did things properly back then. Don't make anything of plastic. Don't really know what that's for. The actual pipe has taken the shape of that box. Don't know if I want to try and... It's definitely seen a lot of use. Smells like an old house. If you've ever been in like a really old house, that's what it smells like. Proper awesome. Properly nice. Let's see what else. Yeah, there's probably more stuff in here. Got the pipes to go with it. Oh, nice. An old spoon in case you fancy eating something while you're doing your cleaning. All made of metal. These are all metal, these ones. It's obviously some sort of crevice tool. All made of metal. Apart from this one, which is made of wood. You can actually see the wood in there. Awesome. Properly awesome. Right. Where else can we go next? Let's see. We've got a big box here. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get that. Oh, I can. I didn't know if I was going to be able to get it through that gap. Right. Big box. It says on it, KIRBY Heritage, quality, reliable performance. So we've got obviously some sort of cleaning kit for a heritage. It's awkward trying to kneel down. You've got no space anywhere. What's in here? Put that up there for a moment. Oh, right. So we've got everything we could need, and a lot of it looks bloody brand new. A soap gun for putting in your detergent, doing a bit of cleaning. Oh look, we've got a little booklet going on here. KIRBY Heritage and Convenience Group with turbo power. Use and care booklet. Oh, it's all for caring and using. Printed in the USA. London KIRBY. 562 Lordship Lane, London, N22. Phone number. It's got all that kind of information on there. Cleveland, Ohio. Is there a date though? 1981. Scott and Fetzer Company. 1981. It's all your information about what you need to care for your KIRBY vacuum cleaner that you've had to take a mortgage out to buy. Happy days. What more could you want? Oh, what have we got here? Bags. 12 disposable filter bags. Even better. They really did look after you, didn't they? Bloody hell. Absolutely shocking. Alright, what else we got? Little crevice tool. Happy days. This is like the whole kit. This is like the whole kit. It's got everything you want. For your wet vacuum. Brand new. In the packet. Never opened. Rug renovator. But without the brush. The brush is probably somewhere else. Don't remember what this is though. Oh, it's just a little turny thing. You put it on your spinny thing and it turns around and probably does some stuff. Happy days. What's this one? handy butler group, heritage. Got a handy butler group now. Let's open this up and see what we got here. Something or another. Caution, keep hand, hair, loose clothing away from moving parts. Well, we certainly don't want anything near any moving parts, do we? Some sort of sander or something like that, isn't it? What's that about? Keep filter clean. Alright. What's this? What's in here? Oh look, polishing stuff. All the little wheels and pads for doing some polishing and sanding. Got sandpaper. They really did give you all kinds of things with these Kirbys. You got little polishing wheels there. For this one's been used. This one, they definitely used it. That's a new one. That's never been used. That one, it's brand new. They really did give you all kinds of weird and wonderful things with these. So that's nice. That can go back in there. Now what's in this one? Oh, it's just another one, the same as the other ones. Another cleaning kit, all brand new. Polishing brush. It's never been used. It might have been used a little bit. Brush, that's never been used. That bit of pipe, that's never been used. Turbo brush, definitely 100% never been used. That is brand spanking new. It's not got a single piece of wear on that, on any of it. So that's never been used. There's not even a piece of dirt in there. That's never ever been used, I can guarantee that. Look, brand new. Never been used. And it's over 40 years old. Well, there we go. Happy days. Right, I'll try and make this a bit easier. What else we got? Another black box full of more Kirby stuff. Another wet vacuum thing. This is all just spares now, I think. We've got a pipe handle thing, another detergent sprayer. Yeah, it's all basically. Oh, we've got a thermostat in there as well. That's certainly not for a Kirby. Well, that's for a car of some description somewhere. Some of these, it's not all Kirby parts. We've got bits and bobs of pipes and things. The top of a. This is for a Legend 2. It's the top bit that holds your bag. So that's a spare part. Put that over there. I'll sort through all this and work out what bits are actually spares and what bits actually ain't. We've got another box there. Cool, we've got so much Kirby stuff. I don't know what to do with it all. Oh, what's in this one? This box here says on it Hoover. Oh, this is a Hoover. It's not a Kirby. This one's a Hoover. Hoover model 2614B, made in Great Britain by Hoover Limited. So we've got a 2641B. Yeah. Looks like to be quite an old thing. Whether it works is anyone's guess. Little upholstery nozzle thing there. Happy days. This is your bag. It's got a bit of dust in it. It's definitely seen some use. Hoover Dustette. Nice. Just imagine these being used in an old 1950s, 1960s house. Bad. That's pretty cool, isn't it? That's pretty awesome. Obviously the bag slots on the end there. On and off. Happy days. What more could you want? 140 watts. 140 watts. That's nothing, is it? But back then, that's probably quite a lot back then, I'd imagine. What's this? This carton contains 2641B. Vote cycles. Date in stock. Ah, we're going to be able to see the date. 19. It's the 23rd of March, 1960. Looks like it might be 63. It might be 63. Don't know whether you're going to be able to see that or not. It's there. At the top there. It looks like it might be 1963. Don't know whether you can tell any different to me. Just there where my shadow is now covering it up. Possibly 63. But anyway, nice. That's a cool little find. Very happy with that one. Right, we're slowly getting towards the end now. There's not that many left now. We've got another, I don't know what that is, over there in the distance, and a Royal sitting there. 2 more boxes, and I think, hopefully, that's it. Because it's getting a bit boring now going through all this. Don't know what that is. Random bag. So we got another Hoover dustette. The Hoover dustette, light, efficient and inexpensive. Well, they really did give you good boxes back then. Look, the box is actually made properly and it's got a little metal catch on it. How good is that? That's brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Open that up. This Bayco belongs to KWH. It's got written in the top there. I'm going to zoom in on that. It's very slow zooming in. There you go. Look. This Bayco belongs to KWH. That's interesting. What the hell's a Bayco? Is that what they used to call these back then? They called them a Bayco or something like that. Bit strange. It's got the cable on it. In better days. Wooden. That's wooden around there. That's all wood. Probably Bakelite and wood. On off. Switches made a good sound back then. Universal motor. DC. 225 to 250 volts. 0 to 60 cycles. 140 watts. Model 100. Made by Hoover. Middlesex. Nice. Look at that. That is brilliant. That is absolutely brilliant. Bag. Well, there we go, you lot. There we go. Zoom out a little bit now. Getting a bit too. Right. Take a few pictures of that and then we'll carry on. Right. Move that out of the way. That places to put all these things now. The last box that I can see, with any luck, is this Kirby one. This is on it. Renault Group Kirby Legend 2. We've got in here another box. Piece of paper. And on the piece of paper, just some information. It's in dollars, which is interesting. I wonder why it's in dollars. I know Kirby's an American company, but we're not in America. 1997. So this is from 1997. Got a wet vac head, a bit of pipe, some spare belts, bits and bobs. Yeah, happy days. What's in this box? Another one of them turbo nozzles, never been used. More than likely brand spanking new. Did I call it a turbo nozzle? I meant a sander. These are sander, that's why it's got sandpaper there, because it's a turbo sander. It even says it on the box, like turbo sander, and it's all brand new. It's never been used. It's absolutely never ever. Well, it's got a bit of paper on it, but look at the paper, brand new. It's not been used. So, because that's what happened with these Kirbys. The sales rep came round, pressured people into buying things. They bought things they didn't really want, never was going to use, and there we go. That's what happened. Right, the last two now are difficult to get to. So let's see. I might have to move that. Put that there. Oh no, we've got a box here. Look. Let's just quickly have a look through this box before we have a look at the last two. So we've got a tub there for your detergent, for your floor cleaning. We've got some Kirby bags, tradition bags, What are these ones? Micro magic filtration bags. Let's have a look. More royal bags. And that is a bag full of more parts. Nozzles. Tools. Stair tools. Turbo nozzles. There's all sorts in here. Belts. Loads and loads of belts. They're genuine, oh, they're Qualtex belts, so those are not quite so old. Loads and loads of belts. That can all go in there. Right. Put that there. Here. A Royal, which we don't see in this country. These are from America primarily. Very nice Vaccums, quality since 1905. Don't know how old or how new this one is, but we definitely don't see them in this country. And there we go. It's got the American 2-prong plug on it for 110 volt, and back over there you can probably just see the bottom of is another Kirby. I've got to try and get it. Pretty sure that's the end of them then. Yeah. There we go. What is this one? Oh, this is a Classic 3. Kirby Classic 3. Well before all the other ones. But there we go. I think that one's probably the one that's in the worst condition. All the other ones are in really, really good condition. Happy days. Oh yeah, mustn't forget this piece of paperwork that goes with that Legend 2 there. Loads of information here, all about it. Enclosed Part 2 bags and all sorts of. What's this? Customer order. Please service due now. Please call us. It's all in dollars. £21. That one's in pounds. £21. Loads of information. What's that? Oh, that's a check or something like that. I don't know what that's for. Anyway, happy days. So there we go. Loads of different Kirby's, Hoovers, Royals. If you're interested in any of them, let me know. I'll ship around the world as long as the price is right. Other than that, they'll all be for sale as of now within the UK. Remember, treat people how you want to be treated, treat people nicely, and we'll all have a nice happy life. Cheerio, you lot.